Starting a gas-powered pressure washer with a choke setting might look intimidating, but in this short video I'll show you the starting process step by step. But first, let's get all the hoses hooked up because you could damage the pump if there's no water in the system. I'll start with the high pressure hose. This will connect to the outlet at the bottom of the engine. This one twists in clockwise. Now connect the garden hose to the water inlet. And on this one, the collar goes on counterclockwise. Here's what mine looks like, but depending on your pressure washer, these connections might be in a different spot. Now I can connect the spray gun to the high pressure hose. When it's on there good and tight, turn on the water supply. Here on the side of the engine, there's a power switch, choke setting, and gas valve. Currently, the valve is shut, and I know this because the white knob is perpendicular to the gas line. When it's turned on in parallel with the fuel line, I know the gas is flowing. Okay, on a cold start, pull the choke all the way out. Then flip the power switch to on. Now give the cord a sharp and quick pull, and you may have to do this more than once. After 10 to 30 seconds, slowly push the choke to the off position. That's because the engine will eventually stall if the choke is left on too long. But once it gets going, it will start running very smoothly. And if you have to stop and start, most likely you won't need to use the choke again. But if it's sat overnight or longer, you'll have to use the choke again. And that's how you start a gas-powered pressure washer with choke. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.